Lionel Messi was born in Argentina and comes from a poor family. His father was a factory steel worker and his mother was a part-time cleaner. But nevertheless, he grew up surrounded with love and support. Messi developed a great passion for football very early in his life. So at the age of 5, he started playing football for a local club coached by his father. And when he was 8, he joined Newell Old Boys Club. Messi grew up very close with his grandmother, so when she passed away, he was in a lot of pain. He was so sad that he didn't want to play football for weeks. But after his father started pushing him to continue to play, he returned on the field. But he was determined more than ever to make his grandmother proud of him. He dreamed of becoming a professional football player, but that dream started to fall apart when he was diagnosed with growth hormone deficiency. This meant that he was physically unable to grow unless he received special expensive therapy that cost $900 per month. And unfortunately, his parents couldn't afford it, and the club that he was playing for refused to pay for the therapy. But even though Messi was the shortest player in his team, his love for football was limitless, so Messi wasn't discouraged. This obstacle didn't stop him. Messi's talent was so undeniable that football clubs started noticing him. River Plate showed big interest in Messi, but lacked the money to sponsor his medical treatment, so at the end they rejected him because of his medical condition. But soon Messi was noticed by the coach of Football Club Barcelona. He sent an offer to Messi's family. He proposed a trial period, so he could see for himself if Messi is worth the hype. If he passed the trial, the club would cover his medical bills, but on one condition: Messi needs to leave his hometown and move to Spain. When his teammates saw him for the first time, they were very surprised and looked at him in disbelief of how short he was. But when he went on the field, they were shocked of how good and talented he was. And the coach was blown away by Messi's abilities and talent. He knew that he was born to play football, so he offered him a contract that would change his life forever on the only thing he had in the moment, a paper napkin. So Messi's first Barcelona contract was actually written on a napkin. And the rest is history. Till today, he has spent his entire professional career with Barcelona. Messi is a goal machine, and he is often considered the best player in the world. At 22, Messi won the prestigious FIFA World Player of the Year award. He has record-tying 5 Ballon d'Or awards and a record 6 European Golden Shoes. And the Barcelona superstar has been named the highest-paid athlete in the world. Today, his net worth is $400 million. There are so many lessons to be learned from his success story. A man who, despite his health problems, despite his poor financial background, despite all the rejections he faced, he was still determined to achieve his dream and never give up. So what is the secret to his success? The secret behind his enormous success is that there is no secret. You need to work on yourself every single day. Messi's remarkable success did not come by accident or from pure luck. He worked extremely hard and had to give up many things to become who he is today. You have to fight to reach your dream. You have to sacrifice and work hard for it. I start early and I stay late, day after day, year after year. It took me 17 years and 114 days to become an overnight success. Give everything you've got and start working on your dreams today. So, what's your story?